breakdown. Okay, he's good. You good? If you need my help, I'm right here. Need a rescue? I'll rescue you. Y'all good? All right, good.
We're gonna go get younger? 10 years younger. In a volcano. In a volcano. Sulfur mud bath.
Mud springs.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, baby. Come on, roll it. This is your boy Chocolate Thunder speaking. You can't hear him, you can see my face, but I got Becca and Julian here at the mud bath, and they just got in, and the temperature's like 112. They can handle it.
Waterfall time.
In my hand is a bottle of what I call the local Viagra spice rum. Chopping if you will. If you're not chopping, let's get out of it. Y'all want to go smoke?
That's good.
I'll try.
That's really good.
Oh yeah.
Very flavorful. We're having jungle juice now.
Fabulous. Good.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh shoot.
We just got back from the Jono's boat tour, and it was amazing. Chocolate Thunder was great. Love him. We had some pictures with him. He gave me a foot massage. It was great. So if you come here, 100% recommend Jono's boat tour with Chocolate Thunder. Julian wanted to go to this upper pool, and it was a pretty long walk. We were almost there, and she's like, actually, let's just turn back and take a cab. And I was like, it's really nice outside, though. I'll go for the walk. I mean, I'm realizing now that there's a really steep hill, but it's really like a really nice time out, and you can just hear the birds chirping. It's just really nice. So I was like, I'm gonna walk. She probably thinks she's beat me there by now. I'm like, I've been waiting, girl. I've been waiting. I gotta see these sights. So we've come to this restaurant like 3 times, or 2 times at night, and we didn't realize until the next morning that there was the ocean back there, because every time we've come it's been like pitch black. So when we came for breakfast the one morning, we were like, oh, like our jaws like,
Yeah, they all dropped.
We were like,
wait, that's the view behind us?
well, that girl that got out of the car, her butt came out.
Did it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, right in the bright light.
No.
Her was out. I was like,
No way.
yeah.
That was
Anyway,
not real.
it's a frog.
Oh. Yeah, it's still there.
Our last few hours, she's very mad. Very mad.
Sad.
That mad and sad.
Interesting.
Yeah, our tour guide yesterday also told us that coconut water has electrolytes in it. So,
He said it's the second best kind of water you could drink.
what was the first?
Normal water.
And we're about to leave. Sad. You can't even see. I know. So I realize now that after a week of being home that I don't think I ended the video. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just wanted to say just how like beautiful St. Lucia is like as an island. It's just crazy how different the resort is from like the rest of the island. Those people live on like not a lot, and it really like opens your eyes. When we were on our boat tour, our tour guide told us some like little facts about St. Lucia. The average monthly income for someone who lives on St. Lucia is $350 a month. after COVID hitting, like they were really hurt because their main source of income is tourism and people weren't going anywhere. If you want to go on a trip, you want to go somewhere tropical and warm and beautiful, go to St. Lucia because it's absolutely wonderful. Like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, all right, see you guys next time.